Most car owners are unknowingly destroying their fuel injectors right now, and it's costing them thousands in repairs and terrible gas mileage. Here's what most mechanics won't tell you. Clogged injectors can reduce your fuel efficiency by up to 30%, which means you're literally burning money every time you drive. Your engine's struggling, your acceleration's weak, and that rough idle? That's your injectors screaming for help. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend $800 to $1,500 at a mechanic to fix this problem. I'm going to show you 11 proven methods to clean your fuel injectors without ever removing them from your engine. These are the same techniques professionals use, and some of them cost less than $20. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restore your engine's performance, improve your gas mileage, and save yourself a fortune in unnecessary repairs. Number 11. The Fuel System Cleaner Method. Here's what most people get wrong about fuel system cleaners. They add them to a full tank and wonder why nothing changes. The problem is dilution. When you pour a bottle of cleaner into 15 gallons of gas, you're barely getting enough concentration to do anything meaningful. Here's the professional approach. Wait until your fuel light comes on and you're running on fumes. Add your fuel system cleaner first, then fill up with just 2 to 3 gallons of gas. This creates a much stronger cleaning solution that actually penetrates the carbon deposits and varnish buildup on your injectors. Drive the car normally for that tank, keeping your RPMs varied to help the cleaner work through the system. The cleaning agents dissolve the deposits while the fuel carries them through and burns them off. Use a quality product like Chevron, Techron, or Liquimoly every 3,000 miles. This simple $15 treatment can restore up to 15% of lost fuel economy and prevent a $1,200 injector replacement down the road. Number 10. The engine oil connection. Most people never connect engine oil to injector health, but here's what happens inside your engine. When you use low-quality oil or skip oil changes, combustion byproducts and contaminants circulate through your entire engine system. These deposits don't just stay in the crankcase. They create blow-by gases that enter your intake system and coat your injectors with a sticky film. The solution is switching to a high-quality synthetic oil that contains detergent additives specifically designed to reduce deposit formation. Look for oils that meet API SN+ or ILSAC GF6 specifications. These modern formulations include cleaning agents that minimize carbon buildup throughout your engine, including the fuel system. Change your oil every 5,000 miles maximum, and always use the manufacturer recommended viscosity. This costs you about $40 per oil change, but it prevents the internal contamination that leads to injector clogging. I've seen engines with religious oil maintenance run over 200,000 miles without needing injector service, while neglected engines need cleaning at 80,000 miles. Number 9. Fuel filter and pre-filter protection. Your fuel filter is the first line of defense for your injectors, but most people forget it exists until it's too late. Here's the costly mistake. Running a clogged fuel filter forces your fuel pump to work harder, which sends debris past the filter media straight into your injectors. The microscopic particles act like sandpaper, scoring the precision surfaces inside your injectors and destroying their spray pattern. Replace your fuel filter every 20 to 30,000 miles. Even if your owner's manual says it's a lifetime part. For older vehicles or those using lower quality fuel, install an inline pre-filter between the tank and the main filter. This costs $30 to $60 but creates dual-stage filtration that catches particles down to 10 microns. Clean injectors spray at precise angles and droplet sizes. Contaminated injectors spray unevenly, causing misfires, power loss, and fuel economy drops of 20% or more. That $40 filter replacement prevents an $800 injector cleaning service. Number 8. Detergent-based fuel additives. Here's what the oil industry doesn't advertise. Not all gasoline contains enough detergent to keep your fuel system clean. Basic fuel meets minimum EPA standards, but those standards allow significant deposit buildup over time. The varnish and carbon that form on injectors act like insulators, disrupting the fuel spray pattern and reducing atomization efficiency. Professional-grade detergent additives contain polyetheramine compounds that chemically dissolve these deposits at the molecular level. Add a concentrated fuel system treatment like BG44K or Redline Complete every 5,000 miles. These products cost around $30 but contain 4 to 5 times the cleaning agents found in over-the-counter additives. Pour them into a nearly empty tank for maximum concentration, Then drive at varied speeds to circulate the solution. The detergents break down existing deposits while preventing new formation. This maintains optimal injector performance and prevents the gradual power loss and fuel economy degradation that costs you hundreds in wasted fuel annually. Regular use can extend injector life by 50,000 miles or more. Number 7. Ethanol fuel stabilization. If you're running fuel with 10 to 15% ethanol, you're dealing with a hidden injector killer that most people completely ignore. Ethanol is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air. When water mixes with ethanol in your fuel system, it creates corrosive compounds that attack metal surfaces and leave behind deposits on your injectors. This is especially destructive if your car sits for weeks between drives. The solution is adding an ethanol treatment and fuel stabilizer every time you fill up, particularly if you don't drive daily. Products like Startron or Lucas ethanol fuel treatment modify the ethanol molecules to prevent water absorption and phase separation. They cost about $12 for a bottle that treats 250 gallons. Add 1 ounce per 10 gallons at every fill-up. This prevents the corrosion and deposit formation that ethanol causes, keeping your injectors clean and your fuel system protected. For vehicles that sit frequently, this simple step prevents injector clogging that would otherwise require a $600 cleaning service. The chemistry here is critical because once ethanol separates and water accumulates, the damage accelerates rapidly. Number 6. The Italian tuneup technique. Modern driving habits are silently destroying fuel injectors, and here's why. Constant short trips, city driving, and never exceeding 3,000 RPM allows carbon deposits to build up on your injectors and throughout your intake system. Your engine never gets hot enough, long enough to burn off these deposits naturally. The old-school solution is what mechanics call an Italian tune-up, taking your car on the highway and running it at high RPM for 15 to 20 minutes. Find a safe stretch of highway, get up to speed, and downshift to 4th or 3rd gear. Let the engine rev to 4,000 to 5,000 RPM while maintaining highway speed. The increased combustion temperatures, higher fuel flow rates, and elevated exhaust heat literally burn carbon deposits off your injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. The intense heat vaporizes the buildup that normal driving conditions can't touch. Do this monthly if you mostly drive in the city. It costs you nothing except the gas for the drive, but it prevents the gradual performance degradation that eventually requires a $400 carbon cleaning service. This technique has kept engines clean for decades before fuel system cleaners even existed. Number 5. Throttle body and intake cleaning. Here's a connection most people miss. A dirty throttle body and intake manifold directly contaminate your fuel injectors. Your intake system accumulates oil vapor from the PCV system, creating sticky deposits that restrict airflow. When airflow is restricted, your engine computer compensates by adjusting the fuel mixture, which changes how your injectors operate and accelerates deposit formation on the injector tips. The solution is cleaning your throttle body and intake every 30,000 miles. Remove the intake tube, spray throttle body cleaner on a microfiber cloth, and wipe away all the black gunk from the throttle plate and bore. For intake manifold cleaning, spray intake system cleaner directly into the throttle body while someone holds the engine at 2,000 RPM. The cleaning solution enters the intake runners and combustion chambers, dissolving deposits throughout the entire system, including the injector tips. This costs about $20 in cleaning products and 30 minutes of work. The improved airflow restores proper air-fuel ratios, which helps keep injectors operating efficiently and prevents the deposit buildup that causes rough idle and hesitation. Number 4. Professional fuel cleaning kits. If you want professional-level results without the professional price tag, here's what actually works. Purchase a fuel injector cleaning kit that connects directly to your fuel rail. These kits cost around $50 to $80 and include the canister, hoses, and fittings needed to feed pressurized cleaning solution directly through your injectors. Here's how the process works. You disconnect your fuel pump fuse, connect the kit to your fuel rail test port, and fill the canister with concentrated injector cleaner. Start the engine and let it run solely on the cleaning solution until the canister empties. This forces pure, undiluted cleaner through each injector at full operating pressure and temperature. The concentrated solution dissolves heavy deposits that diluted fuel additives can't touch. The engine will rev up and down as it burns off the deposits. This deep cleaning process takes about 20 minutes and gives you 90% of the results you'd get from a shop charging $400 to $600. Use this method annually if you have high mileage or if you've neglected fuel system maintenance. Number 3. Professional dealership service. Sometimes DIY methods aren't enough, and here's when you need to bring in the professionals. If your car has severe symptoms like persistent misfires, failed emissions tests, or extreme fuel economy loss despite trying other methods, your injectors likely have hardened carbon deposits that require professional ultrasonic cleaning. Dealerships and specialized shops use industrial-grade equipment that removes injectors and places them in ultrasonic cleaning tanks. The high-frequency sound waves create microscopic bubbles that implode against the deposits, breaking them loose without damaging the injector components. After cleaning, technicians test each injector's spray pattern and flow rate to verify proper operation. This service costs $600 to $1,200 depending on your vehicle, but it completely restores injector performance when nothing else will work. The key is choosing this option strategically. If you catch problems early and use preventive methods, you'll rarely need this service. But if you've got a high-mileage engine with years of neglect, professional cleaning delivers results you simply cannot achieve at home and prevents the $1,500 to $3,000 cost of injector replacement. Number 2. Top-tier gasoline strategy. The fuel you choose makes a bigger difference than most people realize, and here's the chemistry behind it. Top-tier gasoline contains 2 to 3 times more detergent additives than minimum EPA requirements. Brands like Chevron, Shell, Mobil, and Costco are certified top-tier, meaning their fuel actively cleans your injectors with every tank. Regular or discount fuel meets legal minimums but doesn't provide enough cleaning action to prevent long-term deposit buildup. The detergents in top-tier fuel surround and break down carbon particles before they can stick to injector surfaces. Over time, this prevents the varnish layer that disrupts spray patterns and reduces fuel atomization. Top-tier fuel typically costs 5 to 10 cents more per gallon, which is about $2 extra per tank. That's $24 per year if you fill up monthly. This small investment prevents injector degradation that costs hundreds in lost fuel economy and thousands in eventual repairs. I've personally seen engines running exclusively on top-tier fuel maintain clean injectors past 150,000 miles, while engines using discount fuel need cleaning at 60,000 miles. The math is simple. Spend an extra dollar per tank, or spend $800 every few years on cleaning services. Number 1. Carbon Cleaning Machine Service. For the ultimate solution that addresses not just injectors but your entire engine, here's what top-end shops now offer. Hydrogen carbon cleaning machines pump hydrogen and oxygen gases through your intake system while the engine runs. These gases superheat during combustion, reaching temperatures that vaporize carbon deposits throughout your entire engine, including injectors, valves, pistons, and combustion chambers. The process takes about 45 minutes and costs $300 to $500. Here's why this method is revolutionary. Traditional cleaners work chemically, but they can only reach surfaces that fuel touches. Hydrogen cleaning uses heat and chemistry together, reaching every surface where combustion occurs. The carbon literally burns away and exits through your exhaust as harmless gas. Mechanics report seeing immediate improvements in engine smoothness, power delivery, and fuel economy after this service. For high-mileage engines or vehicles with direct injection that suffer from intake valve deposits, this service delivers results nothing else can match. Schedule this every 50,000 miles for preventive maintenance, or immediately if you're experiencing severe performance issues. The cost seems high, but it's still 75% cheaper than injector replacement and actually improves your entire engine rather than just one component. These 11 methods range from $15 bottles of cleaner to $500 professional services, but they all share one thing in common. They're dramatically cheaper than replacing your fuel injectors. A full set of new injectors costs $1,500 to $3,000 installed. By using these cleaning techniques strategically, you'll maintain optimal engine performance, maximize your fuel economy, and avoid one of the most expensive repairs your car can need. Start with the simple methods like top-tier fuel and regular additives, then progress to more aggressive cleaning if needed. Your engine will thank you with smooth operation and years of reliable service. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this video saved you from an expensive repair bill, make sure to subscribe for more money-saving automotive tips.